everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very delicious. When you start eating, you can't stop, but I gotta stop because it's so delicious. I wanted to share with you so you can make it and you can enjoy it. Look at these. These are delicious cake and very easy to make. Within 3 to 4 minutes, you have your cake ready. Anytime you have a guest over, you want to have a tea, coffee, make these cake. And let me share with you how to make these cake in a sandwich grill. And without wasting time, let's get started. Super yum. This is the sandwich grill and I will show you how to use it. The ingredients we need: half cup all-purpose flour, which is maida, quarter cup sugar, quarter cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons regular milk, vitamin D milk, 1 egg, and half teaspoon we're going to use a baking powder. Half teaspoon I'm going to use essence, and this is a banana flavor. And you can use a vanilla extract or whatever you have available. And then we need a brush, and let's start making our batter first. And in order to make a batter, we need a mixing bowl. First break open the egg. Add sugar. With the help of whisk, we're going to beat it well. Once the sugar is nicely dissolved and the egg is nicely beaten, and this is how the consistency looks. Now we're going to add milk. Mix it well again. Now add vegetable oil. After adding vegetable oil, now we're going to beat it again well. Once it's nicely combined and become fluffy, then we're going to bring all-purpose flour. The question will be, you can ask, why can I add everything at the same time? You can do that, but for the better results, to make it nice and fluffy, this is a good idea to mix it each item separately. And now I will add half teaspoon banana essence. Mix it well again. Add all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon baking powder. Now we're going to combine it well. It's nicely combined. This was the reason I wanted to beat everything separately. As you can see, look at this. This is the consistency what we need. Once it's nicely combined, let it rest for 5 minutes. We rested the batter for 5 minutes, and this is how it looks. We're going to get the sandwich grill. With the help of brush, get a vegetable oil, and we're going to make sure that it's nicely coated. The top side as well. Once all the sides are nicely coated, now we're going to get the spoon and we're going to put the batter inside. This is the perfect measurement, and please check it out my description. I always list my ingredient list under the description. You don't want your batter to be running. With the help of paper towel, you just make sure that if anything fell on the side, just clean it, just like that. So now we're going to close it. It lights up Once it's going to be green, it will take 3 to 3.5 minutes. And once it's going to be completed, then I will share with you. So as you've seen right now, the red light turned into green. So it took us exactly 3 minutes. And now we're going to keep it only 1 minute. Then we're going to turn it off. So within 4 minutes, it will be ready. So now it's exactly 4 minutes as the green light turned on. After 3 minutes, then half minute stayed on. And each sandwich grill can be a different way of cooking. And within 4 minutes, our sandwich grill cake is ready. So I'm going to unplug it. And I will open it. Look at our delicious sandwich grill cake is ready. Within 4 minutes. They are so fluffy. With the butter knife, just pull it. And I'll show you on this side. Nice color. Look at this. How nice. And look it on this side. Let me take it out and then I'll share with you. You can clean your sandwich grill again, or you can just brush it off just like this. So we ready for the second batch. So we're going to get to 1 scoop again. This is the second batch is ready. We're going to plug it. And as you see, the light is on, and within 4 minutes, it will be ready. Our second batch is also ready. I'll unplug it. I'll open it. Look at these delicious sandwich grill cake is all ready. It's very easy to make and very delicious. As you see how it's easy to make it. And look at on the other side. It's nice and crispy color. I'm going to pull these out. And this is the last one. Look at this. It's hot. I will show it to you. And let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious sandwich grill cake is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. Serve with any time of the day with the tea or coffee and snack. Let me break it. Look at this. Perfectly done. This is what you get when you mix it the batter like this, the way I have shown to you. This is so delicious. So good. It's very tasty and delicious. Please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, if you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.